Hey guys, today we'll be doing our first unboxing. Today we are unboxing my buddy Calder's UDI 001, and I'll let him open it here. We just got this in today. How many months ago did you order it?
Like a month and a half. Just under,
Nice.
maybe just under a month.
Sweet. It's like it might have been squished a little.
A little bit. I ain't never used no knife.
Just a box of foam.
Yep, that's all. That's it. That's it, guys. Just a box of foam.
Just a box of foam. That's all we have.
So cheap. You like it?
Is that the boat?
Here, just rip it. You got that? There we go. I'll let you take the remote out. Just your standard 2.4 gigahertz pistol grip.
Manual.
It's got a softer spring there. It's got your trims, your steering trims and your throttle trims.
And
Your power switch right here, and it takes 4 AA's. You got a little bit of reverse room or brake, and you got a lot of throttle room. And this is obviously your stand. You should have some screws in there too. Maybe.
just a propeller.
Yeah. Stand.
That's right.
Yeah.
I did that one backwards.
Yeah. Yeah, it just snaps them together like your normal boat stand.
There. Oh, why did I make only 2 batteries? Oh, maybe one's in it.
What are these? There's another prop. These are lithium-ion batteries. 600 milliamp, 3.7 volts. And he's got 3 of them. One of them is in the boat.
The USB charger.
Yeah, it doesn't have a normal plug on it or anything.
Use the boat.
Oops, walked into the camera. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, just transparent prop. It's got your metal on the inside. Yeah, there's the battery on the inside here. It's got a brushed motor.
Water cooled.
Yeah. It's got your battery tray, micro servo in there.
I'm so excited.
Where's the ESC? I don't see one.
It's in there somewhere.
Where's the... Oh, it looks like it's up in the front there because that's where all the motor wires are going.
There's a stupid piece of foam stuck in the tube. I'll get it later.
But yeah, it looks like it doesn't have a flex shaft. It's just direct.
And it has a feature where that it has to be in contact with water
Yeah.
for it to start running.
Yeah, you can't dry start it.
Which
And
is pretty interesting.
it looks like you can adjust the amount of steering you have.
It's also made in China. That's a plus.
Yeah.
And yeah,
Powerful. Goes 25 kilometers an hour.
yeah, it's pretty fast for a small thing. And looks like it picks up the water right there.
Yeah.
Right there.
And then
It's water
it goes
cool.
up, and
Yeah.
over, and up there.
And the cover's got a water seal right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, got some stabilizer fins on the rear. And yeah, it looks pretty watertight. Might take in the odd stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.